Welcome to a journey through the delicate intersection of mortality, femininity, and flowers. Today we explore Flower Orphanage by nationally recognized conceptual installation artist Michèle Karch-Ackerman, here in the Agnes Jamieson Gallery. This exhibition blends 3 shows, including abridged versions of 2 earlier installations, offering a chronological view of Michèle's artistic and personal growth. Flower Girl is a touring exhibition created in 1998, composed of robin's egg blue flower girl dresses, evoking themes of ghostly presence, flowers, and graveyards. Bluebird Dress Factory, first shown in 2018, presents a flock of white and blue flowered children's garments, alongside archival photographs of the artist's family. This installation intertwines personal history with the broader themes of time and remembrance. Flower Orphanage is the culmination of Michèle's artistic evolution. Centered around her decade dresses and sorrow posies, this installation represents the final chapter in a lifetime of exhibits, offering a deeply personal reflection on her life's work. Throughout this exhibit, Michèle offers an intimate look into her life and her 30-year career as a ghost seamstress. In her own words, "I am no longer a flower girl. I am officially the mistress of my own flower orphanage."